Hi guys, I would like to show you this new refrigerator I just got. And this is Whirlpool. And the model number is right here. And you can just pause this and take a look. And look at this. It fits exactly into this space. And it has water maker and ice maker. And this is the side for the freezer. Bright, brand new, and it is so just right. And I just want to show you that I have this refrigerator actually against my wall. Before I bought it, I didn't know exactly if it's gonna fit. So this is right against my wall area. And if I open, you open up just right. Look at this. Isn't that nice? Thank you for watching.